Today, I'm going to discuss your ELA standards with you. If you are looking at this document, it is titled ELA Standards Shorthand. That means that there is a lot more that goes into these goals than what is on this paper. However, this is a condensed version of each standard. So the first thing I want you to notice about your ELA standards are that there are 5 main strands. So you may be looking at it and thinking there's only 4 topics underlined. However, the first topic is actually 2 strands. You have reading literature and reading informational text. Those are 2 separate strands, but the goals that go with those are similar. So, reading literature, that's fictional pieces of work. That could be plays, that could be poetry. And then you have informational text, which is things that are true, essays, biographies, autobiographies, articles. Each one of these, you have 10 standards. So, if you're looking at it, you might recognize a lot of the vocabulary as being vocabulary that you've heard before in an ELA class. So standard 1 deals with inferences and evidence. Standard 2, central ideas, themes, summary. Standard 3, individuals, events, and ideas. Standard 3 is all about making connections between events, individuals, and ideas. Standard 4, dealing with vocabulary and word choice. Standard 5 is text structure and organization. That's how the author chooses to organize their writing. Standard 6 is point of view and purpose. Standards 1 through 6 all go together. They all work together to help you develop meaning from the text. Standard 7 brings in the media piece. Standard 8 is only related to arguments and evidence. Standard 9 is a comparison between 2 texts or 2 authors. And 10 just deals with you reading a variety of different texts throughout the year. All right, then we have our writing strand. The writing strand, you are going to be working on many skills, but the first one is arguments. So that is bringing about a point or an opinion and trying to get other people to believe what you believe. Writing to inform and explain. Narratives, meaning tells a story. You see clear and coherent writing, planning and revision, the use of technology and research, synthesizing information, and writing routinely. Then you have your speaking and listening standards. Those most often are worked on in class with you collaborating with your classmates, discussing literature, discussing opinions. And then you have your literature strand, which deals with grammar, conventions, things like that.